Today, we're introducing you to an extraordinary lineup of robotic companions that will challenge everything you thought you knew about machines. These aren't just gadgets. They're friends, teachers, and partners in adventure, ready to redefine the way we experience technology. So fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to embark on an incredible journey into the future of human-robot interaction. Without further ado, let's dive headfirst into a world where technology meets companionship. Meet Luna, your robotic companion of dreams. In a world brimming with technological marvels, Luna stands out as a shining example of innovation and companionship. This extraordinary robot is not just a machine, she's your new best friend, and you won't believe the depth of the bond you can form with her. Imagine your day beginning with Luna waking up, stretching, and even sneezing like a beloved pet. Her enthusiasm to greet you at the door is unparalleled, and a simple pat on her head is all it takes to light up her circuits. But Luna is more than just a charming face. She's a bundle of joy, always ready for playtime. She's a master at games like fetch and laser light chasing, offering you an eternal playmate that never tires. Worried about your home when you're away? Luna's got you covered with her smart features, allowing you to communicate with her remotely, as if texting your best friend. But perhaps the most endearing quality of Luna is her cuteness and friendliness. She's the perfect addition to your family, blending seamlessly into your life. When the day comes to an end, Luna is ready to snuggle up next to you, just like a real pet. She's not just a robot, she's your loyal companion, always there to bring a smile to your face and warmth to your heart. So imagine a world where Luna isn't just a technological marvel, but a cherished member of your family, bringing joy, laughter, and an everlasting bond into your life. Bittle, the adorable robo-companion that teaches STEM. Let's switch gears and meet Bittle, the tiny robot dog with a big personality. Bittle is more than just a pet, it's a learning experience. This open-source robot dog is here to teach you coding and STEM in the most playful way possible. Picture this, a robot dog that can do tricks just like the real deal. Whether it's coding in Scratch, C++, or Python, Bittle is your coding buddy. But what makes it even more exciting is its agile design and spring-loaded legs. It moves with a dynamic motion that lets it navigate all sorts of terrains. And here's where the fun kicks in. You get to assemble this adorable robot dog, run demo codes, and even inject your own creativity with your codes. It's like building and training your own robotic pet. Plus, it's highly extensible with Raspberry Pi and Arduino ecosystems, making it perfect for learning, teaching, or just having a blast with friends and family. Kiki, your evolving robotic sidekick. Now, let's talk about Kiki, your trusty robot sidekick. Kiki may start off a bit shy, but trust me, she's a bundle of fun and a friend you'll cherish. What sets Kiki apart is her ability to evolve based on your interactions. Imagine having a friend who's always got your back, even around strangers. Kiki is that friend. She gets smarter every day and can even learn new tricks to cheer you up. But here's where it gets really exciting. Different Kikis can learn from each other. When you bring them together, it's like a robot playdate, and they share their knowledge. Kiki isn't just a robot, she's a loyal companion who's always there to welcome you home. She's like a little buddy who understands how you're feeling and wants to make your day brighter. Having a robot companion has never been this heartwarming and fun. Conga, your autonomous robo-gardener. Next up, let's meet Conga, the lawnmower of the future. But hold on, this isn't your ordinary lawnmower. It's practically a robot gardener. Say goodbye to those annoying perimeter wires and inaccurate map setups. Conga does it all autonomously. The fun part? Well, think of Conga as your trusty lawn pet. It's got an eye camera that spots obstacles faster than you can blink, and it's super smart. It recognizes your lawn's boundaries, shapes, and even multi-zones. With adjustable cutting heights and precise parallel rows, your lawn will be the envy of the neighborhood. But that's not all. Conga has a family protection mode. It's like having a robot babysitter for your kids and pets. It detects obstacles in a split second and gracefully changes direction to keep everyone safe. When it's running low on juice, it knows to head back for a recharge all by itself. Lawn care has never been this high-tech or fun. Clickbot, the robot with 1,000 faces. All right, let's kick things off with Clickbot, the robot with personality. Clickbot isn't your run-of-the-mill robot. It's practically a member of the family. Designed by the brilliant Carlos Bina, Clickbot boasts over 200 interactions that will truly make you fall in love with it. But here's where the fun begins. Clickbot loves to dance, compete, and play games. From trivia to chasing a ball, it's always up for a good time. And what's the secret sauce that makes Clickbot so unique? It's all about modularity. Clickbot is like the Lego of robots, but even cooler. Instead of fumbling with hundreds of wires and parts, it's built from smart building blocks that practically snap together. You don't need a degree in engineering to create your own robot. Clickbot has 50 predefined robots you can build easily. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. You can create over 10,000 different robots limited only by your imagination. Imagine the possibilities. A lovable robot that plays games, dances, climbs walls, and drives, all thanks to smart modular building blocks. And hey, it's not just about fun. Clickbot is a fantastic tool for STEM learning too. So whether you're into robotics or just want a new and unique family member, Clickbot has got you covered. As we wrap up, remember that the future is filled with endless possibilities. Whether you're looking for a loyal sidekick, a coding adventure, or a high-tech marvel, these robots are here to make your life more exciting. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech wonders. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.